Fast car right there. Say your mama don't say anything.
Safety's for the weak.
But man, it looks so good. So he's standing down with the wire wheel. They're getting nice and neat, but we're still going to paint them. We have to remove all that rust first because eventually they're gonna rust again. So we have to go to either Home Depot and find some stuff so they don't rust. When you guys have your rotors, I would definitely get them painted because if not, they just look terrible. Especially when it's raining and it's sunny and stuff like that. So it's not that hard to do. It's just time consuming to get that done. So I still can't find the Scotch tape because I got to get these all polished off because they look ugly. But I can't find them. I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot too and get that figured out. What happened? I told you to wear your safety glasses, Josue. Did I not?
Just kidding.
Oh wow. What I'm doing because of the rotor, you don't want to paint the pad part of the rotor where it's breaking. So I'm gonna tape this off. I'm gonna tape off the studs, so we should be fine. But all this is gonna be protected, and this is we're gonna paint this because because we don't want it to rust again. I don't know if you guys could tell on camera, but Nev, you can kind of tell. You see how scratched up and bad they are? Yeah, that's really nasty. So hopefully we're gonna do the same thing like we did last week, and we're gonna use Plasti X from Regardless. It should clean them up because my Lexus, they still look good. So yeah, let's get it done. That looks amazing. Super beautiful. Lunch break because we got some Chinese food. Where's the Chinese food at? Oh, it's bomb. We got our brake caliper already covered, and so we're using Rust-Oleum metallic. Kind of trying to go for the same color here. So let's see how it looks. Make sure you wear your safety glasses. Because, oh my goodness, I gotta wear my safety glasses. So good. And a little bit off of it, it's not a big deal, but man, what a difference. But look at this. Dude, there's a tag of tape on that. If I'm talking weird, I think you guys know about it, but I have my aligners. So they kind of hurt sometimes.
If we get 20 comments, I'll take off my shirt next video.
Take it off right now.
No, we need 20
comments. Take it off right now.
20 comments.
So we're all finished up with this car. Looks amazing. Never mind Josue, he's just looking sexy. But anyways, like I was telling you guys, we finished with the car. I didn't catch this on video. If you guys don't have me on Instagram, then I will definitely add because Nev just jumped into a pool with tadpoles and slime and nasty things inside. No, for $5.
I'll show them the pool.
Show them the pool and then come back.
My hat.
So smart, he jumped in there and it only cost me $5. I got the content. No, you're not. No, you're not.
10.
Anyways, we got the rotors done already. They look amazing and they look so nice. We just have to plastic dip these rims because they don't look that good. But the headlights are already done. Super easy to do. They look amazing. If you guys have any questions and you guys need parts for ICE 300, let me know. We'll hook you up. But thanks again. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for always being viewer. I swear. Questions, let me know what we can do for you. Any comments? We had to wrap this up really quick because we got some friends coming over. We're gonna play some pool. We might show it. What are you doing over there? So again, the ICE 300 is down right now. We have some parts. We have some parts that are going to be coming in, and so we'll probably make a video of that next week. So any questions, let me know, guys. So you guys already know what's up. Guys. Drive safe, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye. Bye. Ew. I don't have my shirt on. It's because it's super hot. Josue, Nev, We are hot, guys.
Nev, what are you doing, bro?
I'm taping this thing because Samuel's my boss and he made me to.
I'm your boss. Move this.
Oh, like this.
Okay.
I got my friend already. I already texted.
Dude, we're so going to gamble tonight.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
You could vlog.
I do.
Like us.
I do on Snapchat.
Well, Snapchat not
Add him on Snapchat.
No.
Add me on MySpace.
So we over here, and what's up? Oh hey, Avi, what's up? Say hi.
Alright, so today,
So now you're feeling it. Now you're feeling it.
I'm here with Nev.
Next, say what's up.
My worker, my slave.
What's up? What?
Don't do anything.
What?
What's happening, JD? What's up, baby?